Guys, so yesterday, last weekend, I make a mistake. I'm try refrigeration the light S4 Audi light because was a glass damage. Glass, this is plastic, but I'm buying wrong one. Me and owner decide replace both. I don't have to send back, so it is good because one bad, another brand new, so it's no work. So let's start watch what I did last week, and yep, we start again. Guys, so we try save the headlight because it is S4. It is broke. Like you see, it is broke over here on the clips. I think it's somebody was before here because plenty glue. This is special glue for headlight. Don't use silicone or whatever. First we need to take clips. That's no clips, but take clips off and heat round, then should be split. So, like I'm saying, headlight costs over 500, new one, a lot money. Like you see, it's already water come in because was damage here as well. Glass very tired, so that's why we have this one. Like you see, a different. This moment we have to move this guy to here. I have glue. This is polyurethane glue. This is Tilan glue, but it is a lot, like you see, lot in, so we left this glue, just heat and put new one. Hopefully I will clean everything because very dirty inside, was damage. Yeah, first this guy. So many thousand tools, but that small finally find back to game. That have too big hole, that have perfect hole, but this one don't have hole at all. I try drill here, and we see. I have to cut the bolt because I have too long and use a bigger one. We don't have choice, so too big hole. It's looks very good, like OME. Yeah, that bolt, no hole, we need screw. That too big, we replace that. Okay, so that guy back. But first we need to clean everything inside. Now hit this glue and yeah, put new glass. One headlight, it's done. Clips no more available, so I have to go to scrapyard. Here no clips, like you see. Clips have to be, because lamp heat work, then possibility split because glue soft. At this moment I don't put more glue because don't want to use too much. Yeah, and when I'm scrapyard have a new screw, new clips, then I'm hit one more time and put back and put clips on. Clips have to be here. Guys, like you see, this glass, it's okay, but yeah, every clip's on, so that good. Yeah, we have to split, like you see, it's that one and that one. It's that one, it's tired age, so glue off, take off, put new glass, new clips as well. Owner asked about every new bolt, we put new bolt every one. This is age 7. We buy night Baytrek Osram probably. Don't use aftermarket funny the Japanese, because Japanese, China LED light, because this is no LED lamp and it is danger. So I'm take off and keep going. that need drill because no hole. That lamp never was split. We see how this glue, can we need to use more or replace, we see. Light, it is a refabrication, so so good. Go to boots, wait for a moment when we put on. Looks amazing, looks like new. Clips I need buy, like you see it's gaps here, it's bigger, here it's smaller, because clips hold, and like I'm saying, it's, you remember, have to be clips, because headlight give you heat and glue take off. That headlight, one headlight, it is a slightly break guy. Maybe we use glue when we put back on, because it is just crack. So that headlight go to car, go to boots. That, guys, that big box come from Poland. Yeah, parts for Audi S4, quite fancy, but we find and finally have. This is quite light because this front car, but no everything use. It is browny new, and this is just that parts. Like you see, it's here. It's joined with metal, plastic, and rust. New one. It is all plastic and should be never more rust, so we need split this one and put over there. It's broke, we can do nothing. I'm ready ask seller what I have to do. This moment we split for the parts this guy. Okay, plug it is for front, and I'm zip typed cut, so hope fan come off. We see. tell for you guys and for myself, one fan is off, another fan must be off and go this way. Guys, like you see, it is front are different. I cannot split this part and put inside here because it is a part all together. This one no fit and brake, so I'm ready ask question what's going on. Can we have refund or something that? Fan it's okay, another fan it's okay, alternator I need to push inside the guy because this is distance when come and distance between, it makes sure it's no loose. I'm ready clean. The radiator, AC radiator, quite bad condition but still work. Owner have to decide what we do for this guy. And this radiator, oil radiators is good here. So like you see, so far so good. Okay guys, how this distance must go in, then easily you put alternator, then when you tight this distance go out and cut loose. So use a bolt one ratchet, or if you have longer, you put something here and tight, then bolt come in and cut the loose. Just keep going. I am happy. Alternator clean. No record because battery on the phone dead. Like you see, I'm charged. Alternator come back. Plug it's new. Like you remember, it is one wire. Like you see, one block. So hope keep going. Right guys, O-ring have to be new because it is a damage. We don't want its water leaking, coolant leaking. I put back, do loose and try find O-ring. When I'm by O-ring, then we back to game for that one. At this moment maybe I'm replace this roll. I don't know, keep going. Make some noise. Genuine parts, parts number. So right guys, it's crazy day. I'm go to my friends, finish Audi S4 because cannot work more. First because front car it is no fit and come broke. I have to contact for seller, probably give money back, that's no problem, but problem another one, it is no fit. This means it is a problem because just this guy have for sale new parts. Don't know what we do. Maybe second hand good condition we find. I don't know yet. At this moment finish for S4 and yeah, we have to wait what guy seller say. We need new O-ring for alternator. We need, because we don't want leaking, new O-ring. Yeah, fancy weekend at this moment. Passion, love, family, just VAG family, and see you next time. If you're interested, can I manage, can I find a front? See you next time.